So we got this situation. If integration of 1 root over 1 minus x square by x power 4 dx equals this for a suitable chosen integer m. So m is an integer and the function ax, okay, where c is a constant of integration, then ax power m equals, okay. So if you'll observe this question now, I don't think we will get any idea of substituting something. Okay, so what I'm suggesting you guys, take maximum power common. Okay, so suppose that if you'll take maximum power common from the bracket, you will take x square common, but you have root, so x will come outside and you will have 1 by x square minus 1 inside the root, and the denominator will look like x power 4 dx. Correct? Now you can simplify a little bit. You will have this thing. Now if you will observe uh, the root component, so can I write z square, means I should write, wait a moment, I'll help you in this part. So look at this. Suppose that z is 1 by x square, 1 by x square minus 1. But look at this. Here if you will get rid of this situation, you will stay inside the root. But if you will do square, you will get rid of this square root. Okay, so always if you are handling root over something, so instead of taking that thing as z, go with z square, so that you can get rid of root. You can directly take z outside. Okay, now differentiate both side with respect to x. So can I write 2z dz by dx equals x to the power, you will have minus 2, minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 will come here, and then minus 2 minus 1 will become 3. Okay, this 2 vanish, and we will be left with minus of z dz dx by x cube. Okay, so this thing is we got. Now look at this, apply the replacements. So you have dx by x cube, you can write z dz. Okay, now who is that? Root over something means we have this component, no? So in place of this, can I write z? So it is z square. So integration of z square dz. Now its integration will become what? Z power 3 by 3 plus integration constant c. Now apply the replacements. So minus of 1 by 3, and it's z power cube. Okay, so can I do this thing, that what I'll do, I'll take root both side. Okay, or else like z square is what? 1 minus x square by x square. So this is your z square. Still we have z. So root over 1 minus x square by x square plus integration constant c. Now please do little bit of simplification so that we can match up with. Now look at this. If you will observe this thing is having power as 1 by 2. So base is same, power has to be added. So can I write 1 minus x square power 1 plus 1 by 2. So this thing will become 3 by 2. Comfortable? And here you have root. So outside root you will have x, and here we have square. So it is x square and that is x, so it will become x cube. So 1 by 3 minus में x cube plus integration constant c. Now look at, now try to manage things. Here they wrote things in terms of root. So can I write minus of 1 by 3x cube and then root over 1 minus x square power 3 plus integration constant c. So this is our integration answer. But what do we need? We need a power x. So who is a power x? A power x is 1 by 3x cube, that too in minus. And this is m. Who is m? M is this, power 3. Now you can simplify this to mark the answer. I hope the idea is clear and you got the correct approach. Okay.